Ever wanted to make a claw machine on your own without those hard-to-find materials and complex procedures? Well, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make your very own cardboard claw machine in just few easy steps. All you need to use are strings, cardboard, barbecue sticks, glue and cutting tools, and of course, the free template provided for this machine. If you're all set, then let's begin crafting. To start, cut out these pieces using the template as guide. To make clean cuts, just paste the template on the cardboard and trace all the lines with cutter. As you can see, I have placed a ruler in the template. The purpose for this ruler is to measure the string that is used for the claw. For the first string, you only need the same length as the ruler. Then, tie the ends of the string to something that can add weight to the claw, such as pebbles, small marbles, small magnets, coins, and many more. But be sure that these objects will be able to fit in the tiny compartment in the claw. should have a gap like this one. And after that, cut another string that is double the length of the ruler. You can use the ruler to indicate the middle part of the string. Then, tie the end of this string to this part. It should open and close very smoothly, but if you aren't satisfied of how it's working, you can just add up more weight to the cloth just like what I did. Cut another string with the same length as the previous one. Then, cut out this thick piece of cardboard and start tracing the tracks for the claw. The ways of the tracks are all up to you, but make sure that they aren't too close to one another, because doing so will make the cardboard flop. For the body and base of the machine, cut out these pieces. Before putting on my plastic cover to these parts, I color them first with spray paint. Once they were dry, I then cut out some plastic cover and glue them here to act as window for the machine. This way, players will not be able to steal goodies from the machine. However, this is just optional. I also cut out a door at the back of the machine and glued a little knob. Here, we will be able to put our candies and toys into the machine. Next thing I did was gluing cardboard strips down to the line which indicated where the base of the machine will be put. This should measure at 4 inches from the bottom of the cardboard. After that, you can now put them all together like so. Let's first finish up the mechanism of the claw. Small straws and glue them to a much bigger straw like this one. Then glue them to this area. Tie the end of the string here and fully turn the lever. Then, tie the other string in this side. Once that's done, you'd have something like this. If you're wondering why I suddenly changed the yarn string to nylon, well, that's because I accidentally cut off the string from the cloth, so I had to start over again. But then, I realized that using a thin fishing line, specifically a 0.2mm thin fishing line, is better to use than yarn. However, if you don't have a fishing line, that's alright because there isn't a massive difference between the two. If you use yarn, that's definitely okay. The next thing to do now is to just put on the remaining pieces together and as well as the track or the top of the machine. Once that's done, you can now design your craft to make it look great. Here, I added this window for the prize chute and these stickers as well. It was pretty easy for me to make this machine, so I hope you guys will also make your cardboard claw machine with much ease. But before you go start making your craft, be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, hit like, and share this video to anyone whom you think will like this homemade arcade game. Lastly, I'd like to give a massive shout out to the Blue Fox for being part of the notification squad, to Trisha Monch, Gamer Bob, Paige Kawai, Alan Yang, Marimar, Thala Fem, Art Gab, Vidal, and Earl Gaming. If you want to be included in the next shoutouts, then just comment down below. Alright, so I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.